Welcome to this tutorial, where we will teach you how to sign up online. By carefully following these steps, you will realize that signing up is very easy. Open the web browser of your choice and type in the search bar www.niceonline.com. Go to the top right corner, then select in the flag icon US English. At the top right corner, you will find a box with the title Join Us. Click on it. Once the new screen appears, click again on the Join Us button. Select the kit of your choice and click on the Continue to Create Account button. Fill the required information in each field, and when you're done, click on the Continue to Shipping and Payment button. If you don't have your social security number, you can leave it clear. Choose a payment method and fill the required information. A confirmation of successful payment and your business ID number will appear. You will receive a confirmation email from Nice and Bella, and you have completed the sign-up process. Thank you for watching this video.